Alright guys, so we just finished with our testimonial section. So in this section we are going to work on the social media. We're going to work on the social media section in this video. So we are done with the testimonial section. So let's get to our text editor. Let's come below and give a comment. We'll call it social media section. Let's check if we have given a comment concerning the testimonial section. Okay, it's done. So social media section. Social media section. So comment it out. So the next thing we're going to do, we'll create a section tag. We'll give it an ID. So the ID we are going to give will be social media. So inside we are going to give a container. The container will have a bootstrap class of text center. So it will have a p tag. The p tag will call it find us on social media. We'll call this div class as social icon. Social icons. So we'll give an a tag. Just give hashtag. So inside the a tag we'll give an image, then the source image. The first image I'll call it Facebook. I'll just duplicate it and change all of them. So the second one will be Instagram. The third will be WhatsApp. The fourth will be Twitter. The fifth will be LinkedIn. The sixth will be YouTube. I have all the image already. So let's save it and take a look. So you can see the way they are. They are not okay. So what we are going to do is this. We are going to go into the CSS file to go and work on them. We'll go to the CSS file to work on them. So the first thing we'll work on is the main ID of the section. So copy it. We'll come here. We'll paste it here. So we'll give it a background. I'll use code. A background of that is a light gray. So let's look at the way it is. If you check, there's little color between here and here. Here is light gray and here is white. So we'll go to it again. We'll say padding. Padding up and down, left and right. That is X and Y axis. Up and down, left and right. 60 pixel. 60 pixel by 0. So come to social media, the P tag. We want to work on the P tag, which is this. Find us on social media. That is the paragraph tag. We say font size. The font size should be 36 pixel. The font weight should be 600. Margin top should be 10. Pixel. So let's work on the image. Now this image is social icon. That is a class that will give to the div. The class will give to the div, and we are going to reference it down to the image. We are going to reference it down to the image. So say dot, then img. We say image width 60 pixel. Transition is 0.5 second. Padding 10 pixel. So let's take a look. Refresh. So you can see it's getting better. So the next thing we are going to work on, is this. We are going to work on the hover effect. So dot image icon link hover for img. Transform we use translate y. So it will be like a bouncing up and down. To be bouncing up and down when you are touching it, when you are hovering on it. So let's refresh it and take a look. So you can see the way it is. So let's see if we have anything to do again on the social media. So I think the social media is done. So we are done with the social media aspect. I will see you in the next class.